Okay, welcome. This is my very first video. So welcome to my channel. This is the Red Geek Civil Engineering, baby. So this channel is new. This is my first channel, and as you can see, there's nothing on the page. This is just the interface. But all I want to say is welcome to my channel. So my name is TheRadGeek Civil Engineer. Of course, that's not my real name, but let's just call me TheRadGeek. And if you're a gamer, I think you already know this is a shout out to the Red. I hope you know the Red. First one there, man. He's a great gamer, and he inspired this channel and a lot of other people as well, like Structure Free Learning. It's a host of many people. Even Flynn inspired this channel. And apologies beforehand. I'm not using a studio microphone to record my voice, so my projection is going to be a little flimsy, tinsy, little bad. But let's get on to the gist of the story. So what is this channel going to be about? Well, as it says, the TheRadGeek Civil Engineer is definitely going to be civil engineering with a lot of pop culture in there. But it's definitely going to be about civil engineering. But we're going to be focusing mostly on the structural part of civil engineering, right? And as a first thing that we're going to do, or the series of videos that I am going to create, is going to be on roofs. Yes, you heard me. The thing that's on top of your house, the roof, right? What we're going to do is we're going to define the various elements that make up a roof, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I've been looking for, this is Wikipedia, YouTube, this is free. Okay, this is Wikipedia, the various elements that make up a roof. We're going to touch on what's a ridge, what's a dormer, what's a rafter, the eaves, gables, everything, man. And all the different types of roofs we have, from the hip and valley gable roof to, I don't know, what's the funny thing? I think it's a butterfly roof. I'm just joking. We are mostly going to touch on the most common types of roofs that you guys will get if you're a civil engineer or a student. Okay, and we're going to be using AutoCAD mostly for these tutorials. And the other thing is, well, I'm going to be recording my screen. This is my screen, and I'm going to be showing you all the things that I'll be doing on the screen so that you and me are on the same page. So like I say, we're going to define the various elements of a roof, and then we're going to look at the layout of a roof, and then also how to create roof lines. So by basically what we mean by roof lines is you have this plan. Sometimes it doesn't come with these dotted lines. So the first thing we are also going to do is, how do you create these lines? What's the art? After all, everything is Da Vinci, baby. It's art. What is the art of creating these lines? Then after doing these lines, we're also going to look at how to frame a roof. That is cleaning your drawing, right? Let's say an architect gives you this, and you want to go to this green drawing. This is what we call a frame. This is the drawing that you need as a structural engineer to then come up with what we call a layout for your trusses. This is the layout for the trusses, right? And also another layout for your water lines. This just basically shows you where the water goes once it gets on your roof. You know what I mean? Water falls on your roof, it goes there. Mostly it's on the ridge, the topmost spot, and then it's gonna run down. You know what I mean? And as I said, we're gonna talk about everything: the hips, the ridge lines, the valleys. The valley, you can just think of this as like a swing. You know, the water comes in from the hips, goes down in the valley. Woo! It's sliding into the DMs. I'm just joking, man. I'm just joking. There's gonna be a lot of pop culture references. Yo, excuse me, I gotta take a sip of water. And now we're back. And also, yo, we gotta make sure this thing is recording, because this is my first video, so I just want to make sure. Yeah, it is. We're 4 minutes in. I'm sorry about that. Now, also, as I was saying, we're gonna learn how to come up with the layout of our trusses, right? From the girders, the jack rafters, everything. And also we're going to learn how to come up with elevation details of our trusses. You know, all these details, all these funny little things that you see on the screen. It's not complicated, people. And also the elevations of the trusses, truss E, the spacings, what governs everything, Why is it separated at 1200? You're asking me that. That is definitely what we're gonna cover in this series of videos. So I'm gonna definitely come up with about 10 videos that will address this thing. But then we're not gonna do roofs only. Like I said, we're gonna do a lot of things. Free drawings as well. I'm gonna take you through a lot of things as well. And then like I said, this is mostly structural engineering. So I'm gonna teach you also how to create layouts. What do I mean by layouts, man? This is another cleaned. This was already cleaned. This is not the architectural. This is a cleaned. So I call it the reference drawing, right? After I cleaned it. And then ground floor layout, you know, actually this is different. There's supposed to be a foundation layout. Yeah, you have a ground floor layout and foundation layout. It all depends whether it's a special foundation or simple strip foundation. And we're gonna get into the details of that. And I think this one also has a rafter. But I'm not too sure. I did this a long time ago. But yeah, as you can see, those are columns, grid lines, dimensions, and ground floor beams. Yeah. I'm gonna teach you how to do all of these things. It's simple. So I'm gonna teach you how to get from this ugly white drawing to this beautiful mamacita over here, man. You see, she's nice. She's red, green, blue, cyan, and a little magenta. And also, disclaimer before we go forward, like I said, I'm recording this on my laptop mic, but I'm definitely gonna get a studio recording mic so that my voice projection is better. And also, another disclaimer: my accent and voice might change over the course of the videos. I get so many complaints on that. It's not really complaints and compliments, really, from the chicas. You know, it's always different with the type, whether she likes it or she doesn't. But hey, it's me. I got a social. I don't know. It's not, you know, like what's that movie with James McAvoy? Exactly, Split. I'm not exactly Split because I'm in touch with every personality. But anyways, I'm just taking you. Let's just cut to the chase. Anyways, like I said, please forgive me in advance. But you can tell me in the comments below whether you like it or you don't. And like I said, my channel, this is my channel. So right now we don't have a video there, but this is the first video that you are going to have on this channel from me, actually. But I'll be posting videos regularly, weekly, so that you know we quickly start doing these things. But like I said, I'm not just gonna be teaching you these things. A lot of things are structures as well. And this is basically my desktop, bro. And there's a lot of the applications that I use. Please don't ask me where I got them. And I'm gonna be teaching you a lot of this, but I'm definitely not gonna be doing any tutorials on Bentley, Stat Pro. I think there are a lot of tutorials from India, man. Namaste to my friends from India. I love you very much. Yeah, I think there are a lot of tutorials regarding that. So we're gonna focus mostly on Prokon, because dude, some of these videos that I'm gonna do, like I said, shout out to Structure Free Learning, great guy. But some of the videos that I was looking for, I can find them on YouTube. So I thought there are many cats out there just like myself who need videos to help them address certain issues, for example like Prokon. So I'm gonna teach you as well. This is Prokon. It's a software made in South Africa. You gotta have a license. Studio, it's either you get a student license or you know, like a corporate license. So I got mine, bro. So I'm gonna be teaching you some of these things like analysis, steel, concrete, timber, masonry, cutting, detailing, mostly detailing as well, using the paths feature, and also like design and beams. Like right now I got this little beam that I'm trying to design. This is basically the interface for Prokon, but we'll get into the details much later on. So I got a 230 by 600 section. I could just like change this. You see, changes, BF top, all of those things. It all depends whether you want to span, how much you want. For example, it's going to span once, just say 5-minute section. There we go. From grid line 1 to grid line 2, number of sections to the left, everything. Now we can actually start the supports. What are they going to be pinned, fixed, everything. I'm going to do this with you. Then we can also look at the loads, case, is it live, is it dead, span, covers the entire span, bro. Left, what you want to be, I want to be 23. There you go. Dead is 23, it's continuous all the way. Maybe I wanted a 0 to say 5 meters, and then let's have another dead load. Let's just say 45. like 1, and let's just say this is gonna be a 5. You see, it changes already to say 10. It's all governed by, you know, what you want. Anyways, I think that's kind of funny because I think I changed my PIM, but yeah, let's just put it at 5 like this. I'll get it. But don't worry, we get into the nitty gritties of that. So now you got a 45 plus 23, that's 68. So yeah, you see it changes. I'll teach you on Prokon as well, if you know what I meant. So yeah, this was my first video, just introducing ourselves to what we have. I would also love to teach you about Civil 3D, but I think there's a guy called Jeff Bartels. This guy is amazing. He's the one who actually told me, so I'm not going to be doing any videos on that because I believe the internet already is saturated with videos on that. But there are no videos on Prokon and some nice exciting videos. I'm also going to teach you how to just come up with nice drawings like this one. Okay, this is, I'm not supposed to show you who this is for because copyright. No, this is copyright. I'm doing this, but I think I'll get fired. I was drinking a cup of water. Anyways, so yeah, this is the first video. So please subscribe to my channel, like the video, hit the notification button, and get my videos as soon as they drop. And we just started now, but you never know, man. As soon as we get popped, we might start giving away prizes, and it's always the loyal first 100 or first people who will get the prizes. So please, once this video is up, like it is up right now, please hit the subscribe button, and yes, just like the videos. And like I said, keep going, bro. This is the TheRadGeek, and I hope you love movies because I do as well. And hey, shout out to Red Bread and to this other guy, Adrian Ngonizashi Gutu. Dude, you amazing. Love you. And yeah, I'm out.